Hello! Today we are going to be reading the book Weather by Anne Francis. This book is going to tell us about different kinds of weather. Lightning flashes in the sky. This is lightning and it's in the sky. Rain falls on the ground. Rain is water from the clouds and it's falling on the ground. Wind blows through the grass. So wind blows like this and it's moving the grass. Clouds float in the sky. These are clouds. Ice freezes on the branches. Ice like this is frozen water. It's solid. And these are the branches of a tree. The rainbow bends into the clouds. This is a rainbow. Bend means not straight. So this is straight, this is bending. So the rainbow is bending like this. And these are the clouds behind it. Snow piles on the fence. This is snow, a white powder that comes from the clouds in winter. And this is a fence. And pile means building up on something. So it's piling on the fence. Fog spreads over the hills. Fog is this thick mist in the air that makes it hard to see, and it's spreading like this over the hills. The sun shines on the earth. This is the sun, and it's shining sunshine out onto the earth. The end.